Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Luke Kelly has started his school visits in Germany together with guests from Nairobi. At his former school near Bonn, he told around 90 students about his trip to the Bosco Boys in Nairobi. He was particularly moved by the fate of the many street children. Father Erastus Chege, SDB director of the Don Bosco facility in Nairobi, and former Don Bosco student Francis Mibio Omanga had travelled all the way from Kenya to accompany Luke. They gave an impressive description of what Don Bosco does to help street children and street at risk. The second school visit was the Don Bosco Center, Hallenberg. The school organized a charity run for street children in Nairobi. The goal was to run as many laps as possible in 6 hours. In the last school, sporting activities were the focus. The students had various tasks to solve and sporting challenges to master. Under Luke's guidance, the students did push-ups and squats. One student even managed to do 120 push-ups. Father Chege and Francis also joined in after they had previously reported on the situation of street children in Nairobi. And they did it very convincingly. Next year, the class will do a school run for the benefit of the Don Bosco in Nairobi. Members of the Fundación Salvador del Mundo, Fulsalmo from El Salvador, participated in the BIT Lab Forum on Entrepreneurship and Innovative Technology to improve lives in Latin America and the Caribbean. The forum was organized by the Inter-American Development Bank on 13 and 14 June in the city of Bogota, Colombia. Yvette Padilla, Manager of Management and Development, and Nelson Cruz, Executive Director of Fusalmo, were the institution's representatives at the event. During the conversation, topics of high impact on the region's economy were discussed, including changes in production methods, connections between people, initiatives and resources, and investment opportunities in technologies and blockchain. The activity had a great social impact as it sought solutions through Latin American and Caribbean entrepreneurs to generate employment and help families in the region. At the General Council session on Thursday, 22nd June, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, with the consent of the other members of the Council, appointed Father Nelson Xavier Moreno Ruiz as the next Superior of the St. Gabriel, the Archangel Province, Chile. Father Moreno Ruiz is 57 years old, having been born in Conception on 11 September 1965. He met the Salesians at the Salesian School in Conception, which he attended as a student, and where he was involved in pastoral activities and youth groups. His parents are Fabriciano Moreno and Maria Mercedes Ruiz, and they still live in the city of Conception. Father Moreno Ruiz did all his initial formation in Santiago, professing his first vows on 31st of January 1987. He made his perpetual profession on the 8th of August 1992 in Santiago, La Florida, and was ordained a priest on 6th August 1994 in Santiago. From Thursday, June 1st through Sunday, June 4th, 26 young adults gathered at the Don Bosco Retreat Center in Stony Point, NY for the province's annual Young Adult Retreat. Victoria Weekly served as the retreat director and Father Steve De Mayo, SDB, served as the retreat preacher. Brother Rafael Vargas, SDB, Sister Elfie Del Rosario, FMA, and Mariel Cabrera also assisted the team. The retreat theme was setting the foundation and led participants through talks on learning to listen, returning home, the foundation, walking in love, and going forth. In addition, there was time for community building, small and large group sharing, personal reflection, and journaling. Daily mass moments of prayer, reconciliation, adoration, including one overnight perpetual adoration, and spiritual direction with the religious were also offered. Additionally, there was a hike that culminated in the celebration of Mass on the mountain. The space around the building of the Salesian Primary School on Suitu Kriska Street in Rocklaw has recently undergone a profound metamorphosis. On Sunday, 4th June, everyone was able to see with their own eyes the results of a huge work of building the school playgrounds and greening the environment surrounding the school. The opportunity for the opening was the great celebration organized for Children's Day, which is celebrated in Poland on the 1st of June and which also involved the Prime Minister of Republic of Poland and past pupil from the school, Mateusz Marykiewicz. I am very happy that after so many years we have succeeded in creating a school that truly resembles a school of the 21st century, he said. I was able to see all the classes I used to go to, and that was an emotional moment. It is a really good environment. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.